Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with Twinchie Tuesday, hosted by Nicole. Cut, glue, relax, or relax. Oh, I messed that up. Wow, I really did. I am so sorry, Nicole. It's Nicole, relax, cut, and glue. I'll get it right. But here it is. I went with using Tim Holtz images. I got some like vintage looking paper in the background, and I used the little bottle caps, some ephemera, another bottle cap, and just worked it in 25. So that's my Christmas. That is the Twitchy for Tuesday. I like how I did this actually. And I outlined them all. It was black. And red washi tape. My images kind of colored the background a little too much, I think. But you know what? Oh well. It's just for fun. I like doing these. So I want to thank you for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful December. And I will see you next week with another one. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. I'll give you one more look. All right, bye.